Hello students, in this video we will start exercise 11.3. In this exercise we will solve question related to solid figures and their surface area. In this exercise we will discuss about two type of surface areas. First one is lateral surface area and next is total surface area. In lateral surface area, top and bottom faces are excluded from the solid, whereas in the total surface area all the surfaces of the solid figure are included. So first we will discuss about both the surface area of cuboid. Cuboid is the one of the solid figure. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth multiplied by its height, and TSA of cuboid is 2 multiplied by length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. In the same manner we have also the TSA and LSA of cube. So lateral surface area of 4 walls of cube is equal to 4 multiplied by side square, whereas the TSA of the cube is 6 multiplied by side square. In case of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and TSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h, where r stand for the radius of the cylinder and h stand for the height. First question of exercise 11.3 is there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box require the lesser amount of material to make? So in this question it is clear that we have to find out surface area of the two cuboidal boxes. As it is clear from the diagram that length of the cuboidal box is 60 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. So we can calculate total surface area of the cuboidal box by using the formula 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus HL, where L stands for length, B stands for breadth and H stands for height. After substituting all the values, total surface area of cuboidal box is 14,800 centimeter square. It is clear from the second box that length of the cube is 50 centimeter, and as we all know that TSA of the cube is 6 multiplied by side square. After substituting values from the question, we have 15,000 centimeter square. So it is clear from both the answers that cuboidal box require the lesser amount of material. Second question is a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin cloth of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? First of all, we note all the information from the question, and it is given in the question that length of the box is 80 centimeter, breadth of the box is 48 centimeter and height of the box is 24 centimeter. TSA of the cuboidal box is equal to 2 multiplied by length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. After substituting values and after calculating this, we have answer of this question, and it is 13,824. Area of tarpaulin cloth is equal to surface area of suitcase. So L multiplied by B is equal to 13,824. It is given in the question that breadth of the cloth is 96. So from here we can easily calculate length of the cloth, and it is 144 centimeter. After this we can calculate required tarpaulin for 100 such suitcases. For this we have to multiply 144 by 100. So our answer is 144 meter tarpaulin cloth is required to cover 100 suitcases. Third question is find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. It is given in the question that surface area of the cube is 600 centimeter square and we have to find out its side. As we all know that side of the surface area of the cube is 6 multiplied by side square, and it is equal to 600 centimeter square. First we will shift 6 from the left side to the right side, so we get side square is equal to 100 centimeter square. After solving this we have side of the square 10 centimeter. Next question is Daniel is painting the walls and ceilings of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of the paint will she need to paint the room? It is clear from the question that length, breadth and height of the rooms are 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter, and area of classroom to be painted is equal to area of 4 wall plus area of ceiling. So area of 4 wall means area of lateral surface area of room is 2 multiplied by L plus B multiplied by H, plus area of ceiling means area of the rectangular region, so it is length multiplied by breadth. After substituting values from the question we have 500 meter square and it is the area of the room. Now we have to calculate required number of can. For this we divide area of hall by area to be painted by 1 can. So our answer is 500 divided by 100 and it is 5 cans. Question number 4 is Ruksar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter, 2 meter, 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? You can solve this question by the same manner as I did in question number 5th.